Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where maths become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve Germany Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a equals 256. We will solve this step by step and find the value of a. For this purpose, first of all, we will take the left hand side. According to that, 2 raised to power a can be taken as common from all these four numbers. So we will take this as common. So remaining is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times. That equals 256. Now we can write this as 2 raised to power a into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. This equals 256. Now 4 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So we get 2 raised to power a equals 256 divided by 4. Now we will divide 256 by 4 and then get 4 6 are 24. Then 1 is remaining. So 4 4s are 16. We get 64. So 2 raised to power a can be write as 64. Now in the next step we will take the LCM of this. So by taking the LCM of 64 we get 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. We will write this as 2 raised to power a equals 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 6 times. Then 2 raised to power a equals 2 power 6. Now here we apply the formula of that if a raised to power m equals a raised to power n, when the bases are same, its power will also same. So m equals 1. We will apply this rule here. Then the value of a will be 6. Now we get a value is 6. Now we will verify this. Now to check our answer we will consider left hand side equals or not. Then 2 raised to power a means 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 raised to power 6, that is 64. So we will add 64 4 times and let's see the answer. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 1 carry, 6 plus 6 12, 18, 24 and 25. So we get 256, that is equals the right hand side. Now you can see by taking left hand side and substituting the value of a equals 6, we will get the value of right hand side. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve most interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.